Can I offer you a penny for your thoughts?
Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. And today we present Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sunday, we're talking about one of the most sought after shoes that came out of 2018. One of the best collaborations with Nike for 2018. Unfortunately, everybody wasn't able to get their hands on a pair. Fortunate enough for you guys, I was able to get my hands on a pair, so we definitely gonna see a dope review. But before we get into this review, I'm gonna need you guys to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you guys can be notified when we dropping our next videos. And with that being said, let's get into the shoe. As you guys can see, y'all see what it is, man. The Nike Vapormax collaboration with Off-White. Comes in a pretty much a brown, a Nike box, flipped inside out. Nike. If you guys don't know, in Oregon, that's where they pretty much, where Nike headquarters is at and everything. As you can see on the inside, got the arms, Nike swoosh with the Off-White right there. Off-White paper. Let's get into the shoe, man. This is a dope shoe, man. I think this is definitely one of the best collaborations of 2018 so far, man. The shoe is just dope. See from that angle, I don't know if you guys can see. So you see the air there. See that? Flip it inside out. See that? Boom. Got the orange, the air, and everything. Clear airbag is definitely dope. And the inside, I don't know if you guys can see. You can see the tin on the tongue. I don't know if you guys can see that. Comes with a different set of laces. Comes with some blue laces if you want to swap it out. Got the red. Most Off-White shoes come with this red. Put this red thing on it. You can see Nike Sportswear on the tongue. Overall, man, I think this is a very dope shoe. Overall, the Vapormax is definitely one of Nike's best shoes. From 2017 into 2018 is definitely one of Nike's best shoes. And to do a collaboration with Off-White is definitely a plus. So, you put Nike and Off-White together, you definitely can make a lot of noise in the sneaker community and also in the fashion community. I think the black with the clear airbag, with the orange, got the orange popping, and then they got it right here on the tongue also popping off, makes it super dope. Something that it doesn't have on the normal Vapormax is a pull tag in the back. Has that there. I don't know if I can see that. Let me get that a little closer to you guys. Yeah, man, this is definitely a dope shoe, man. On the laces it has, as you can see on the laces it says shoelace there. I don't know if you guys can check that out. Shoelace on there, man. This right here is a 9.5. It's not my pair. Shout out to Carl, man. Got the translucent swoosh on both sides. It's definitely a fire shoe, man. This shoe, man, is definitely fuego, man, fuego. The only thing I don't like about this shoe is up on the tongue, on the top part, it's like loose, but then on the bottom it comes connected to the shoe on the bottom part. I don't like that. I just felt like it should have been like one tongue separate, like it's on the regular Vapormax. I think it should have been like that. But that's the only riff I got about this shoe, man. This is definitely fire, man. I seen the white pair that's supposed to be coming out. I don't know how I feel about the white pair, but this black with this clear bubble right here is a plus, man. This is a killer, man. Fire shoe, man. I don't have nothing bad to say about this shoe, man. You guys let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let me know if y'all think this shoe stood up to the hype, man, and everything, because there's a lot of hype on this shoe, or anything Off-White and Nike, or just Off-White in general. There's a lot of hype on, man. But right now, man, I'm letting y'all know right now, this is definitely a top 5 shoe of 2018 so far, and it may stand up throughout the whole year. Shoe is just fire, man. Like, whew. Man, definitely, man. But like I said, leave your comments below, man. I know y'all waiting to see what I give this shoe. Man, out of 5 pennies, man, I definitely gotta give this shoe. I'll give it a 4. I give it a 4 because I don't like the tongue, the connected tongue on the bottom part right here. That's the only thing I don't like about the shoe. It's definitely with a different tongue, with a regular OG Vapormax tongue, definitely a 4.5, 5 shoe, man. But let me know what you guys think, man. Leave it in the comments below and let me know what you guys think about this shoe, man. We answer all comments, man. So if you guys leave a comment about a shoe or you want us to get a shoe that we can review, as you can see, I have a lot of sneaker friends. They get a lot of shoes. I get shoes. It's a bunch of us, so But let me know, man, what you guys think, man. If, like I said, y'all want us to do a shoe or you want us to talk about anything music related, hot takes, anything, man, just let us know. Leave in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back at you guys, man. But yeah, man, like I said, y'all already know, merch game, it's about to get hot up here in New York City, so we're about to start coming out with some new merch. T-shirts will be available, hats will be available. If you guys want to reach out to us, if you want to reach out to us for any merch, you can reach us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. And if you want to reach out to us on our social media platforms, you can reach out to us on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. Once again, you can reach out to us at PENNY_4YT. And with that being said, we're keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.
Can I offer you a penny for your thoughts?